Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Thursday, the 30th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I'm not in a good mood. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm not happy about the lack of rain, folks. We need some rain, and I just don't see anything that makes me comfortable that the models are going to be kind of giving us, or the models are showing us any significant rain here. So we're basically going to miss today. Yeah, could we see a few tenths of an inch? Sure. But it looks dry, and that's going to take us into next week. And, I looked at the models. You go in through midweek next week, nothing. The models try to moisten us up at the end of next week. Uh, but I don't hold much stock in the end of next week when it comes to models. I think eventually this has to turn around. We're not going to stay this dry, and I certainly don't want a wet May. But we need rain. We're behind in Boston by like 9 inches or something like that over the past 6 months. It's a lot of water that we're missing. And I was in the soil yesterday digging around, and it is definitely dry. All right, tonight. After today's temperatures in the 50s, tonight we're down in the 40s. Tomorrow, partly sunny. We'll have to watch. So tomorrow into the 60-degree range. We'll have to watch on Saturday. There's an ocean storm. It could throw some clouds in here for Saturday. If it came close enough, I suppose there could be a shower, but right now it's an out to sea kind of thing. Temperatures right around 60, and same thing for Sunday, a little breezy on that day with that ocean storm pulling away. We're going to warm up next week. We'll get into the 60s and low 70s. We've got to get a little bit more humidity in here in order to get a good rainstorm. So I'll keep looking for it, but it's not today. I'll tell you that. Have a great day, everybody.